welcome back. Here I am going to show Ubuntu latest version 24 version. Okay, 24 is the latest. Okay, this contains 5 GB. If you click on this, it automatically will download. Okay, I already downloaded. It's here, see, 24.04 version. Okay, then I'm using to install VMware Pro 17. You can get it in Google itself. You can get it. Okay, create a new machine. Go here. This is make it this one later. Ubuntu 64-bit, right? 64-bit. You can select it. 64-bit. Then go here. D drive. I'm choosing D drive. If you want, you can give it whatever you want. I'm giving 24. Server name is version. Okay, this is the server name. And 20 GB. You can go for 30 GB. Then finish. Later on, you can give 4 GB is more than enough. Okay, you can give your wish. Here, go here. Click on this. Now you can use where the software located. D drive, Ubuntu, fine. Okay. And one more thing. Yeah, okay, fine. You can start it. Fine. It will take some time. It is starting. I'll show you basic level of installation. Anybody can try and you can practice whatever you want. It will take some time because this is the latest version. Here if you notice this one, SM bus host controller not enabled. It's not required. Automatically it will fetch and it will continue. But it will take some time. See here. See, automatically it will fetch. You can maximize also. You can maximize like this, or you can minimize like this also. Fine. You can use whatever you want. Trying to prepare any language, right? You can maximize any language, by default English. Go here. Defaultly I'm not going complicated. Where install Ubuntu interactive installation. Automated also we have, right? Lot of nowadays we are automating everything with help of Ansible or something. Okay, just automation means giving an example. For that reason, see, default selections, browser and all those things. And extended, if you want to go with extended, it will be useful for if you are working on any I can say any major things. Like it's not required for database installation. I'm going to show database installations with third party. It's not required. You are not using for home purpose. This is desktop version only, but for practice this is okay. Yeah, manual installation. Go here if you want to go with manual. I'm not going into this. By default, your name, my name I'm giving. See, the computer name, whatever you want you can give. I'm giving planning to install Cockroach DB. Okay, let it be Ubuntu Ubuntu 24, right? 24, just version. Password whatever you want, you can give it. Okay, India. Fine, install it. It will take some time. Still it is going on. It will take 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, I'll be mute for some time. Okay, I'll come back. See, it is going to setting up the system and all those things. Now it is completed. You can see here. Just let me maximize. See here, it will asking for reboot. Okay, once reboot, it is taking some time. See, please remove installation media, then press enter. Okay, what it is saying is, I will tell you. Here, go here, settings, and this media you have to remove it. It is saying you can remove, nothing to worry. Remove it, then OK, then scroll down, just press enter. Just see, you've been maximized. Okay, and then right, just right click, go here, next, some small settings, nothing to worry, just finish it off. Now open terminal, you can maximize whatever you want. Like you want to change the settings, color settings also, you can do that. How you can do, well, just I will let you know. That is also okay. First we'll see this one. Okay, fine. There's the drive, because we have given default, right? That is the reason it has been taken only on root. If you give separate partitions, you can do that. Fine. In another video I'll show you. This is general, like default method. And what is the host name we have given? Host name. What is the IP address? This is the IP address, we got it. Okay, now if you want to change some settings, right, go to the now here, preference, whatever you want. Okay, profile, you want to customize something, let it be. You want to increase the font, you can do that. Font has been increased. Color, whatever you want, you can give the colors. I like black and yellow, I think so. See this one, you want to change anything, you can change it. See, okay, done. You want to use whatever you want, you can use it. Again, okay, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.